with this recipe, it only made 2 waffles, so if you want to make more, either double, triple, quadruple this recipe. Hey guys, and welcome back to Halapeno Hevens. Today I'm teaching you guys how to make the best, the crispiest, the yummiest Paleo Waffles. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is get your waffle maker and plug it in. Waffle makers are that one thing that you have to spend a lot of money on, and then they only make one food. But why do we do that? Because they are delicious. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get 2 eggs and you're gonna crack them into a medium-ish sized bowl. Oh no. Oh, did you guys see that save? Oh my god, I almost just got grounded for 3 months. After you've added your eggs, you're going to add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And it's easiest to get the coconut milk out with a spoon and then just put it into your 1/4 cup. And also, we are very sorry we did not post last week. We were very busy and we will try our best to post every Sunday, but sometimes we will miss it. But we might be able to make up for it and we might not be able to. But we will try our best to post every single Sunday. Okay, folks, now that we've added our coconut milk and our eggs, we are gonna whisk those 2 together. So let's get started. On to the next step. Our next step is to add 1.5 cups of almond flour. And I am using a 1/2 cup scooper because, I just made a mess. But I am using a 1/2 cup scooper, so I'm going to be doing 3 of these. After adding your almond flour, we are going to mix it together. So let's do that. Next thing we're going to add is 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. And if you don't have coconut flour at home, you can use arrowroot powder instead. After adding your coconut flour, then you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So let's do that. Every time I hold baking soda, it goes back to the muffin memory. Check out our last video if you want to hear the full story. But now we're going to mix it. Next thing we're going to add is our honey and our vanilla extract. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of raw honey first. So let's turn that on. And sorry if you hear like popping noises in the background. That's the waffle maker. I have no idea what it's doing. I think that just means it's ready to have some waffles in it. And now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using a 1/2 teaspooner, so I'm going to be putting 2 of these in here. Now you're going to mix your vanilla extract and your honey all together. And I'll see you guys in the next step. Our next step is to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and also 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm going to add my salt first. Let's hope I don't spill it this time, because last time I made it, it's just gonna be extra salty, you guys. And now we're going to add our 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm just as bad at cinnamon as I am at salt, so let's hope this goes well. But I forgot to say at the beginning to wash your hands, so make sure you do that. And now we're gonna mix our cinnamon and our salt in, so let's do that. Now we're going to add the waffle mixture into the waffle maker, and it is very hot. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. Don't actually. We're a kid-friendly YouTube channel. Now I am going to butter the waffle maker. Typically you would use some sort of spray, but we are currently out, so we're gonna butter it instead. Chef just taught me how to butter the top part. You take the stick of butter like this and butter it like this instead of just cutting a piece off. Isn't she a genius? So guys, it turns out my batter was way too dry to add to here. So Mama Chef came in and helped me, and if yours was like mine, too clumpy, too dry, then add 1/2 cup of milk, and that saved mine, but now we're actually gonna add it. So let's put it in now. You guys, our first waffle is done, so let's open it up. I got it out. Now it's time to add the rest of our mixture. Sorry guys, right now Ink thinks he's the king and he's sitting in front of your view. So he's trying to show off this thick booty to the ladies. Oh yeah. Work it. Oh, he's embarrassed now. He's gonna go get some food. We'll see you when the waffle's done. We finished our next waffle, so let's open it up. Oh! Be doing cartwheels. Okay guys, we finished the waffles, and I want to give a big shout out to Juli at paleomg.com for making this recipe called almond flour coconut waffles. If you want to go check it out online, go to paleomg.com, and the link will be in the description down below. Well, that was today's video on Halapeno Hevens, and we'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!